Success in the apparel industry depends on all partners in the supply chain collaborating seamlessly and delivering on time. A small delay or error can add weeks to lead time, and delayed deliveries mean empty shelves and a disappointing season for customers and colleagues. Managing these orders isn't any easier. Production updates are often unreliable, untimely, and scattered across platforms and formats. But what if there was a solution that could simplify your production management workflows? Fix the reliability of your supply chain deliveries with TrackIT, a flexible solution to keep you on schedule. With a brief implementation, you can receive standardized updates flowing in from all corners of the globe, drastically improving your communication. Keep your placements on time, supported by a flexible TNA calendar to help plan and track important milestones. The visibility you get allows you to detect delays and problem solve ahead of time. Someone needs to follow up on whether a sample has been dispatched or bulk production has started? TrackIT has communication covered. Tag, comment, and approve directly on the platform. Speaking of approvals, TrackIT will keep you on your toes with notifications and reminders whenever a submission is ready for your feedback. The result? A bird's eye view to manage and consolidate your global placements. The impact? A much more transparent supply chain where information is reliable, communication is clear, and all stakeholders are informed. Improve production visibility, ensure on-time delivery, and gain productivity. Digitize now. TrackIT by TripleTree. Want to learn more? Contact us for a free trial version now.